It's time for Making a Robot with Your Ideas, Part 2. I'll admit it did take me a moment to get back to this, but here we are. While it does look a little weird converting the previous torso into a head and adding in 2 more torso segments wasn't necessarily that much of a challenge. Even with the addition of sane amounts of hydraulic technology, I'd already implemented that in the last round, so I was able to kind of just copy the piston setup over. With the pistons powering it, all I really needed was a simple ball joint setup between the different body segments. I also gave the upper torso and arm interlock area for you guys to work off of with your next batch of ideas. Though it is, of course, up to you to decide what gets put there. Before we go to the next part, in case you missed it last time or are jumping on here, more detailed texturing is the last thing we're going to do for this, because if you have your detailed textures first, it can get messed up as you're adding to and moving stuff around. Now then, for the next part. Do I really gotta... Whoa, okay. Chicken jockey, okay? Are we good? I did the meme.
Proceed.
Okay. Alright, after I made the chicken robot part, I parented everything together mostly so it can move around and works with the pistons. For the next... Okay, for the next thing, he already has a hat. This was from part 0, so I just attached the laser gun to the hat, and then I set it up to where the end of the laser beam object can be controlled where it is, so I can make the beam shoot out, retract in, target different distances, all of that. I didn't do the robot arm part, partly because it already has arms, and I wasn't sure if you meant on the hat or somewhere else, and there's already a spot for more arms to be added, so let me know if you want more of them. Okay, at this point, I wasn't really sure where I was gonna put helicopter blades, but I figured it out as like a backpack attachment arm thing. Okay, and I do think it actually turned out pretty cool, so yeah. That was the last request we had for this go around as far as I saw. If I missed one, I apologize. And I will see you in the next video. Wait, but I did the thing!
Remind them!
Oh, okay, right. Okay. Leave your ideas for what to add next in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and,
Mythology.
Right, the community art showcase. The current prompt is mythology. If you want to take part, do some kind of artwork with the prompt of mythology and post it to the channel Discord before the 30th.
Good.
Trying to take me hostage in my own video of my brother's Nerf gun. I'll see you in the next video.